Hey guys, so I know that I made a video before where I was explaining how I made this guy, and it was really nice and cool, but I figured out how to add on the little top bit, so this is more like a part 2 by accident. So pretty much you're going to start with this, and this is going to be really short. Just take your S-clip, take this, and just like wrap it around and around, and round, and give me a second. And after playing with it for a bit, it should look like this. Then you just shove it in here, and there you go. That's the update, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!